Hey there, welcome back to Stupid Game Experiments. I'm currently working on one of my stupidest experiments yet. I'm building the same game in 3 different game engines: Unity, Unreal, and Godot. However, apparently I made this game already and forgot about it, so that's kind of weird. Let me explain. The game I'm making is called SH++, and it's a cross between N++ and Asteroid. Shout out to Neat Games for helping with that elevator pitch. He already has a game released on Steam, and I'm desperately trying not to be jealous of that or his subscriber count. But hey, we all have to have goals, right? So obviously the first thing I had to do to build a game in all 3 game engines is to install all 3 game engines. I did that yesterday, and if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll put a link in the card thingy. When I installed Godot, it came up saying I had no existing projects. This isn't really surprising, except I had used Godot before, so I knew I had some projects somewhere, and I figured I just needed to tell the engine where to find them. Specifically, the idea for SH++ is an old idea for me, and I knew I had done some basic prototyping on it in Godot, so I wanted to see if I could find that project and hopefully use it to get a jump start on the new project. As it turns out, the last version of Godot that I used was 2.1.3, all the way back in 2017. Once I found it, I started it up just to see where the projects were saved, and sure enough, right on top is the project I'm looking for, except apparently I've added a plus in the last 4 years. So I started up the project and there's a menu? I don't remember getting that far at all. So I played the game, and not only does the menu work, but there's also a level select and levels to play. Granted, neither of these levels are very complex, but this is way farther than I remember getting. I also found this testing level that has a bunch of other enemies and objects and other stuff. I really have no idea how I got this far on a game and then just abandoned it. I mean, yeah, I kind of do. I got bored, that's how. But today, I'm much more mature, and I don't just abandon my games when I get bored of them. Instead, I put my games out half finished, just like the AAA studios do. I always appreciate a little boost of motivation though, so if you want to help me out, hit that like button. Supposedly, it causes endorphins to explode in my brain, which is probably healthier than using Adderall to stay motivated. Unfortunately, Godot 2 isn't compatible with Godot 3, so I can't import the old project, but hopefully the existing code will help me get started with the new project. I'm going to be copying it into 3 different languages anyway, but at least I have the basic logic to help get started. You're definitely going to want to see how that works out, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I put up new videos every single day, and this project is just getting started. Well, okay, apparently it started back in 2017, but we'll just ignore that. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.